Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video, and this video I'm going to show you an easy pizza. If you are a busy mom or dad and you want a fast dinner, this is easy, it's delicious. Let's get started. We're going to be using tortillas to make this, and this is just large size soft tortillas, and yeah. So here I got a pan. It's just a cookie sheet that we're going to use. I'm going to grease the cookie sheet a little bit, so let's get started. Okay, my friends, I got my cookie sheet all ready. I'm just going to add a little bit of oil just to kind of base it with, and then wonderful. I'm going to place my tortillas on the cookie sheet. This is easy, simple meal to make. I'm going to be putting some, this is garlic pasta sauce. And you don't need too much of this, guys. Or you can put as much as you want or as little as you want. So we're going to use some pasta sauce for the base of the pizza. Spray it around a little bit. I'm probably going to add a little bit more sauce, only because I want my pizza to be nice and saucy. There you go. Easy to do. I'm putting some marble cheddar cheese. This is a no-name brand, guys, so it's cheap, it's quick, it's easy, and as I said, it's going to be delicious. So I'm going to grate up my cheese on it. And you can put as much cheese as you want or as little as you want. It's up to you. Okay. And if you like your pizza cheesy, you make sure you put a lot of cheese. Or if you don't want it, then you don't have to. Okay, so here we go. We're grating some cheese onto our pizza. This is going to be delicious. I'm going to put some slices of cremini cremini whole mushrooms on it. I'm just going to slice it up though. I've washed the mushroom already, and so I'm just going to slice it up on here. This is easy recipe to make if you're a busy parent and have to get your children to a quick activity. This is an easy pizza. And this is a nice recipe to do with the children. Let them put whatever they want on it, right? I'm also going to put some of Kirkland brand of crushed red pepper on it, just to make it a little bit spicy. I'm doing this recipe for myself, so okay. This is going to be yummy. We're almost done here. And then I'm going to put some sliced pepperoni on top. Now what I do with the pepperoni, guys, I buy them in bulk and sort of section them off and freeze them. So then all the time I will have pepperoni available for pizza and simple recipes. Now this is still frozen, and once it gets into the oven, it takes seconds to melt, okay? So I'm going to place this on top all over. And I love pepperoni on my pizza, so I'm going to put quite a few pepperoni on this pizza. And as I said, it's going to take seconds for this to cook. Okay? So I'm placing pepperoni on it. And that's basically it. I'm going to place this in the oven at 300 for about 10 minutes or so. Okay, so easy breezy dinner for a busy family. Okay, my friends, it has been 10 minutes since the pizza was in the oven and it is all ready. Look at this quick and easy pizza. It's ready to go. And I mean, I'm sure one child could handle this, or you know what I mean. This is just wonderful. I'm just going to plate this and show you what it looks like. Here you go, my friends. Here is our pizza all ready, and I paired it with a nice salad with Caesar salad dressing, and it's ready to go. Don't forget, not everyone that wonders is lost, and always strive for something better. Thanks for watching.